This 8-sensor ELSNU parking kit gives very thorough coverage at both the front and rear of the vehicle, making low-speed maneuvers feel far more controlled. The system uses ultrasonic detection with a central control unit to translate reflections into clear distance feedback, which noticeably reduces guesswork when reversing near obstacles. A combined display with numerical distance readout, colored light bars, and directional indication makes it easy to see exactly where a hazard is located around the car. The kit automatically engages different sensors when reversing or braking in tight spaces, so you get help precisely when you need it without extra button presses. Customizable audio options, including spoken alerts, beeps, and a silent mode with adjustable volume levels, let you tailor the warnings to your driving style and cabin noise. Once installed and calibrated, the sensors respond quickly and consistently, adding a reassuring extra layer of protection against bumps, scrapes, and parking lot mishaps.